Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can use Reddit. And it's going to be a quick video because Reddit is really simple, and if you get into it you will get addicted. So just keep in mind, guys, if you get addicted, don't blame me, please. So what you want to do is like, okay, you are in Reddit application right now. What you're gonna see is that you can actually search. Let's go with the top. You can actually search for subreddits. Subreddits are these like Taoism, I have here. Then I have the partner YouTuber here. And you can actually search for something that you are interested in, right? So you can like go with the search and you can go and write, I don't know, relationship, right? And you're gonna see, okay, so we got a relationship with Wise, relationship. And I can click there. Now I'm gonna see this is the subreddit that you can like check out, check the posts, and I can just easily join. Then I have like Ask Reddit, Truth of My Chest. And now you can easily just read things, and it's pretty simple when I'm going to open a thing. So this is the post, right? And you can blah, 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 blah. And now you're gonna see like, okay, this is the user and this is the comment, and you can reply to the comment or upvote or downvote the comment. It's like up to you. Now then you can like simply click on a profile, and then you can see like all the comments the person wrote. And you can also like start chat with someone, etc. So this is how you get to subreddits, and this is how you can find other subreddits. Then you have like your own. I'm going to unfollow this because I don't want to have here. Then you can just scroll on your main page and just check like all your followed subreddits. On the second thing, you're gonna see your subscriptions to people or your custom feed that you can create. It's like up to you. In subscriptions, you're gonna see all. I don't recommend going here because there is so much, honestly, negativity in all that I wouldn't even go here, honestly. Oh my god. So I wouldn't actually go here because plenty of people are always like, okay, I'll be honest, guys. Reddit is really negative sometimes. Oh, everyone is crying there a lot. Everyone is like all the time. I don't know how to describe it, but witch hunting all the time. They think that they're the smartest ones on the planet, and you're gonna see it there. Just look and don't jump into emotions, please. Then what you can do is you can post to Reddit, and you can post a link, image, video, text. You choose a community, and you can like choose a community. I don't know, Stoicism, because that's something that I'm interested in. And I can like easily just add title and text posts, and this is how you can do it. Now then you're gonna see messages here that you can write with someone, and or you can just write and like add a new chat here. That's like pretty simple. And last thing is notifications, messages, mod mail, and you're gonna see all the messages here. Then you can also like go to left top corner to your profile, and you're gonna see what karma you got, and then you're gonna see like your posts here. Right? I can just easily go and delete the post or save it. And you can see like your all comments. But yeah, I'm really like, I focus mainly on Stoicism and how Stoicism and philosophy can help you on your journey. So that's what I do. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye.